In this video, we are going to see how to install Flutter on Windows 10. Next, we'll have to install Android Studio. So I'm typing Android Studio. Next, we'll have to install Android Studio. So I'm typing Android Studio. And I'm clicking on download Android Studio over here. The official Android IDE. And let's go to download. And let's click on download Android Studio. And let's check I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions. So now let's click download, and there we go, it will download within 4 minutes. Now let's come up here and search for Android Studio. Let's say open, and yes, and now let's search for Android Studio again. Let's say open, and it's loading. Let's say yes, and it's asking us something. Let's say next, 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 and next, and there we go, it's installed. Let's click on next and finish. Now Android Studio is starting, and over here let's go to configure, let's go to plugins, then you'll have to install Dart and Flutter, and then click on OK, and then you'll have to go to configure again, and then go to ADV manager. You will see Nexus 5 installed. If it's not installed, please install it by clicking on create virtual device over here. Yeah, now Flutter is installed. You can make wonderful apps using it. Next, we'll have to install Visual Studio Code. Let's click on download Visual Studio Code here. Let's click on Windows, as we are on Windows, and there we go. Next, let's go to Flutter and install the last one. Let's click on this Google's mobile app SDK, Flutter mobile UI framework. And next, let's click on get started. Let's click on Windows, and let's click on Flutter Windows 1.17.5 stable.zip. And there we go. 3 of them are getting installed. The Visual Studio Code is already installed. And let's say I accept the agreement and click on next, and next, next, and let's check these 3, and let's click on next, and let's click on install, and there we go. So the next thing we'll have to do is for the Flutter. So let's search out Visual Studio Code, and let's say open. Let's go to the extensions. The next thing we'll have to do is we'll need to go to the extensions. Let's click on the extensions, and there we go. I've already installed the extensions, which are Dart, Flutter and Live Server. You can search out Dart and you find out the first one. So now we have done the settings in Visual Studio Code. The next place we'll have to do is Android Studio. Let it get installed. So let's just click on this, saying opening in 2 minutes. And also we'll have to extract the zip file in Flutter. Let's just do that. Okay, let's open it. Till then, let's extract everything.
Thank you friends. Bye bye.